With students returning to school today after the holiday break, although you may have them back home tomorrow shoveling, let's brush up on our grammar. Tonight's What It Means asks what's correct, the United States is or the United States are, because the difference goes to the heart of what's troubling us today.
Even after the 13 colonies declared independence, even after they adopted a constitution, many people still said the United States are, meaning they were first and foremost separate states and individual citizens. That changed after the Civil War, when more than 600,000 lives were lost to free the slaves and to make us one free and equal country. That sense of oneness, that the United States is a unified nation, was reinforced by 2 world wars and with peacetime challenges, like John F. Kennedy committing to send Americans to the moon.
Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills.
But are we one country today? Polls show America is deeply split. Progressive Democrats champion social justice guaranteed by a strong federal government. Conservative Republicans call for individual liberty guaranteed by having a smaller federal government. Which vision do you think is right for America in 2015 and why? Let us know on our Facebook page, Fox 45 Dayton.